performing reverse engineering and dealing with IDA Pro database files. These are disassembly database files from the industry standard reverse engineering tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and use these IDA Pro database files for software analysis. Here's a professional insight. For those IDA files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A user encountering an IDA file is working with a project from IDA Pro, a powerful interactive disassembler. This file is a database that stores the complete analysis of a binary executable, including disassembled code, user comments, function names, and structural information for reverse engineering or malware analysis. The IDA file is a proprietary, complex database format. It was designed to be highly robust and efficient for storing and retrieving vast amounts of cross-referenced disassembly data. Its structure allows for incremental analysis and collaborative work, preserving the entire state of a reverse engineering session. The best utility for reliable viewing of IDA is known to be IDA Pro by Hexray's SA. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows gives only a surface-level look, so understanding the data requires proper DB tools. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the IDA file and select Open With. Try IDA Pro first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If you still can't open the IDA file, it's okay. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the IDA file is refusing to open. First, opening in IDA Pro. Launch IDA Pro from hexrays.com. Both commercial and free editions are available. Use File then Open to load the IDA database file. IDA reconstructs the analysis state showing disassembled code with all annotations and analysis results. Continue your reverse engineering work from the saved state with full access to all features. Next, using the free edition. For learning and non-commercial use download. IDA Free from hexrays.com, which supports basic database files. The free version has limitations on architecture support and advanced features, but enables opening many IDA database files for educational analysis. Consider Ghidra as a free open-source alternative with similar capabilities for serious work. Finally, exporting analysis results. Export annotations, functions, and analysis results from IDA databases using built-in export functions or IDA Python scripts. Export disassembly to text files, function lists to CSV, or use the FLIRT system for signature creation. This enables sharing analysis results with collaborators or migrating to other reverse engineering tools when needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.